Hello guys, so I did a bit of a late night trip to B&M. So I am back at work now, as you guys know. I've mentioned it in a couple of my videos, but I do have a locker at work, and one of the main reasons why I wanted to go B&M is because I wanted to get some snacks for my locker. So the first item that I picked up was this sage green box, and they always have these on sale in January. This was £2.50, and yeah, it's just a lovely colour. I thought this would be the perfect size to pop loads of little different snacks in and drinks to just put away for them days where I feel like I need a sugar boost in the afternoon. And it feels really sturdy actually for £2.50. It does have handles as well. To be fair, if you are working in an office, we've got like a clean desk policy, so you're not allowed to leave like your pens and like your books and everything out, like your notepads and stuff. You have to tie them away in your locker, and this would actually be good to put all like your stationery in as well, but priorities for me, snacks are going in here. And then talking of the snacks, I'll show you what I've picked up to go in. I probably should have picked up some healthy ones, but I didn't. I went for favourite some Cadbury's, so I got the 9-pack. Honestly though, the size of Cadbury's these days, they're like the old snack size, aren't they? They are tiny. So yeah, you do get 9 bars in here, and I feel like these were £2 something. And then I did also pick up some mini rolls if in case I felt like something a little bit lighter than a chocolate bar. I do love a mini roll. I feel like they're so underrated. Right, now on to some of the other... Oh no, I actually also got some Pepsi Max because we do have a canteen, but I feel like... Do you know when you want something naughty, like a bottle of Coke or whatever? When you buy it out, it is so expensive to just getting it from like B&M or a supermarket or something. So I thought whilst I'm there, I'll pick them up. And I think I got 6 for £3.50 or £2.50. Just check the receipt. So actually I got 8 for £3.20, and I feel like they were on offer. They had loads of lovely sales bits, by the way, in B&M. So definitely go and check out my Come Shop With Me if you haven't already seen it. Just so much lovely home decor and things. And if you are going into B&M and looking for homeware, the new stuff is amazing. But if you find anything in the new stuff that you like, go and check out the sale stuff first. I did say in my Come Shop With Me video that some of the sale stuff is actually really similar to the new stuff. So yeah, you can definitely get some bargains. And then I did pick up like quite a few essential bits, I feel like, this month. I was trying to be good and not, you know, get too wrapped up in the sale and the home decor. But I did get these from the sale, and these are an essential, of course. So these are the scrubbing pads. They're like the rip-off Minky ones. They don't last as long as the actual Minky, but for 5 they were only £2.50, and they did have like, I think it was 2 or 3 for £2.50 in the normal section, like the same like B&M branded ones, not like the Minky ones. So definitely go to the sale section because you get so much more for the same price. I then also needed some new cleanser facial scrub. I picked up this Face Facts one, and it's a ceramide skin barrier complex. It's got hyaluronic acids, 5 ceramides and oats. I'm going to be honest, I went for it because of the packaging. It looks very scientific. It looks like it knows what it should be doing. Of course, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a good cleanser, I know that. But I feel like I might have even seen this on a TikTok video where like a skincare expert was recommended it. And this was £4.99, so a little bit more expensive. But saying that, you do get a lot in here. How much is it? Feels like, yeah, 400ml. You get 400ml of cleanser in here, and I feel like it's going to be like a really like soft, like skin sensitive cleanser, if you know what I mean. It does say it's vegan friendly and fragrance free. I feel like this is the rip off of the CeraVe stuff. That's what I feel like they're going for with this product. But I'll give it a go and see if it works. I only really want it for like taking makeup off anyway. I've started using non-waterproof mascara again, which means it's so much easier to get off. Waterproof mascara was just the bane of my life, and I was wearing it every day, you know, for like rain, and just I feel like it is a bit more hard wearing, but getting it off at night, I was just, no, I had to rule it out. And then I got this Marshmallows Sky Cousins Creations bath. Just today, I'm having one of those days where I feel a little bit like cloudy headed. I think it's because I'm back at work and I'm not, like, my mind hasn't caught up with like how fast it needs to process. So yeah, if I don't remember my words today, please forgive me. But this is Bubble Bath, that is what I'm looking for, and it's the marshmallow one. I picked this up for my eldest daughter because she still has baths, she doesn't like showers, and yeah, I thought she would really like that one. And these do tend to smell quite nice. I didn't smell this in the shop actually. But yeah, it just smells really sweet. It doesn't necessarily smell like marshmallows, but it just smells like kind of like sweet treats. And now I can't get the lid back on. Oh, there we go. I picked up a tanning mitt because if you saw the one that I was using at the minute, you'd be absolutely disgusted. This was £1.99. It's the Sun Kissed branded one. They do the water tan. I bang on about that all the time, but if you're getting into fake tan, I definitely recommend that. You don't have to rinse it off after. And yeah, it's just super duper easy. And I do like the kind of cheaper tanning mitts, not the mega cheap ones, but the ones with this sort of lining. It kind of looks like velvet on camera, but it just feels super soft on the skin. And yeah, for £1.99 you can't go wrong. I also like the ones that didn't have them in this time. They're normally quite bright designs, normally have like zebra print or like leopard print on them or something, and they are double-sided because they last twice as long, so they are handy. And I feel like they're the same price as this one, but nevertheless I just take what they've got. I've also got some razor blades. So these are 3 blades. These are really good value. I feel like you get lots of razor blades in here, and they're only £2, £2 or £3 actually. Let me have a look. Yeah, these are £2, and you get, how many you get in here? Yeah, you get 20, which is so much more than the Bic ones. Hopefully they are, well, hopefully they work just as well, because I feel like the Bic ones only have like a single or a double blade, whereas these are triple blade for £2. I think that's really good value. And then I was running out of shampoo and conditioner. I should have asked for some for Christmas actually. It's those sorts of things that I forget to ask for, but they come in really handy when anybody buys me any like shower or bath stuff. Like, I love it because it means you don't have to buy it. Although I saw these Creighton's ones, I was totally drawn in by this packaging. Look how it's like a reddy pink colour. Didn't think though, it's not going to go in my bathroom, but still, I really like it. And Creighton's is like a proper brand. I did see it in Boots. I always thought it was like a Home Bargains or like a B&M brand, but no, it is actually a proper brand, and it is quite expensive in Boots as well. Anyway, I saw this Keratin Pro and it says for damage repair. Now I feel like because I've got red hair has the thickest strand of hair. I believe blonde hair has the thinnest, and I feel like because I've got that thick strand of hair, I've also got quite a lot of hair, it can take heat quite well. But my natural hair texture is very frizzy, and I have heard, I feel like somewhere in the back of my brain, that keratin is very good for frizzy hair. I think it's like a protein, isn't it, that's supposed to like repair the hair. So I thought I'd give it a go and just see if it does anything for mine. I mean, I have put heat on it today. I've just used like a big barrel on it. I didn't straighten it before because I don't like using double heat, so I tend to just brush my curls out so they turn into like big waves. It looks like a ginger candy floss basically when I do that, and then I'll just put like a big barrel through it, and then it ends up looking like this. And they do fall out a little bit through the day, but yeah, I do kind of just like it, and this is how I've been wearing my hair sort of like most days at the moment. So we'll try those, and they're only £1 10p each, which I thought was very good. They're like 35% less plastic, they're recyclable, they're cruelty free, which is really good, and natural ingredients as well. So for £1.10 I thought, yeah, great. In fact, I've not sniffed them though. Let me give them the sniff test. Yeah, they smell nice. They just smell like shampoo and conditioner, nothing special that I can smell. Yeah, they just smell really fresh, but they smell like more expensive ones. I feel like you can get a cheap smelling shampoo and conditioner, and they definitely smell a little bit more on the expensive side. Not like the Paul Mitchell stuff though. Oh, if you've ever had the Paul Mitchell stuff, I love the smell of that. That's what they tend to use in like the salons and stuff, and I went through a phase of like treating myself, but oh my god, it's so expensive that yeah, I just cannot justify it with 2 kids. Also picked up some Dove. This one is my favourite. It's the coconut one. Absolutely love the smell of that. If you're after a new deodorant, totally recommend that one. Oh, and then also for my little work box, I picked up some of the extra. I love the bubble mint, and I'm always really conscious in the office because I do drink a lot of tea and coffee. Well, we do as a team, like there's all, you know, always somebody making a cup of tea, so I just feel like I need you know, some Wrigley's on the table, and you get 30 in here. And I feel like these are quite expensive, but I thought, well, I'd get it this time and you like reuse the pot again and again with like the cheaper, like the packets. Also picked up some of these Dolmio pastas. I've not picked these up in a while because they've gone from like 99p to £1.50, so it's a big increase. However, with being super busy at the moment, juggling work, kids, YouTube, trying to have a life, meeting friends, family, hobbies, it's just there's so much to fit in. I feel like everybody's like that though. Sometimes you have to pay for convenience, and these are great. Just throwing over a little bit of pasta sauce, popping in some vegetables, you know, just a quick and easy lunch. Get this, I'm sorry that I'm showing you this again. I'm actually a little bit embarrassed how much I show you that toothpaste, but it is a good one and I do really like it. I also picked up some baby wipes because we were running out, and I've started to do click and collect deliveries, and with not going around the supermarket, I forget so much stuff now. I need to get like in the rhythm of doing it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I keep forgetting wipes and nappies. So I picked 2 packs of these up. They are 79p in B&M, so say bargains then. And they are just as cheap as the supermarket, so I don't mind paying for those. And they're really cute, aren't they, with a little bear on the front. Talking of quick and easy lunches, the last couple of things that I've got are food. I think these were 85p. Again, so much cheaper from the bargain shops than supermarkets. So I'm tending to pick up sort of like some dried things and some jars and packet things, because yeah, now I'm shopping at like a proper supermarket. I was shopping at Lidl before because we could fit it in at the weekend, whereas now it's literally an impossibility to do that, and that's why I'm doing click and collect. But I realise how expensive supermarkets are, especially with shopping at a budget supermarket for so long. Like, I begrudgingly pay that shopping bill each week. I got some of the Naked Thai sweet chilli, and I also got some of the Naked Japanese katsu curry. I really like these noodle pots. They feel a little bit healthier than pot noodles, although they're probably not. But I tend to have something like this on a Friday for lunch when I'm knackered after working all week, and I don't want to prep anything, and it's just going to be something really simple and quick. We also have instant hot water taps at work, and I do work on a Friday, which means that yeah, it's a very quick and easy lunch, and it means that after I've had my lunch I can go for a walk as well, because that is like one of my goals for 2023. I think with having kids it's so easy to not move very much, and honestly some days I don't even want to look at my Fitbit because I feel like I've just sat on my bum all day. It's so easy to kind of sit in one place, but you feel like you've moved a lot because you're really busy. So just when I'm at the office now at lunchtime, as long as it's not absolutely tipping it down with rain, I'm going to have lunch and just go for like a 10-15 minute walk. Just getting outside in the fresh air as well, it just does you the world of good. And other lunches, these are more to have when I'm at home, but I do pop them in just a microwave safe dish with microwave pasta and bung that in the microwave at work. And they are the tinned chili con carnes. These tend to be more expensive at the supermarket, so I just picked these ones up. I want to say they were £1 or just over £1. So yeah, really good value from B&M, and a really good lunch if you are looking for something that's relatively healthy, because I think the ingredients in these actually aren't too bad if you look at them. There's nothing that you don't know what it is. Okay, so there's some modified maize starch, which is probably, oh, it's got a bit of beef fat as well, but they're probably like the worst things. The other things they've got in it obviously like kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, minced beef, vinegar, cumin, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. So yeah, not too bad actually, like in terms of like health wise, because I feel like loads of us are trying to get on that healthy bandwagon. And like, I know some people don't like the new year because everybody joins in together, but I like that. I like the fact that everybody's doing it at the same time, because I feel like we can just like support each other. It's like at work as well, like it's easier to be like, do you want to go for a walk? More people are going to say yes in January, so I appreciate it. But yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this B&M haul. I feel like it was quite a basics one, because I am also trying to be good spendy wise in January, because I have already been to town and spent, you know, I did pop into Primark. If the video's not already up, it will be. And I got some new boots, but to be fair, my hubby, he was so kind. He treated me to some new boots from Oasis, which I'm sure you'll see at some point, but I'm absolutely in love with them. Anyway, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.